What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the dollar against the Japanese yen, looking at the daily and weekly charts. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So I want to look at the dollar against the Japanese yen because Japanese yen continues to devalue against the dollar. So you can see that dollar, one US dollar gets you 155 Japanese yen, and just about, let's say, a few years ago in 2022, it only got you 115 Japanese yen. So let's see what that price increase is thus far. It's a very large price increase, 35% more Japanese yen for the dollar. So basically, it could get worse. I look at charts. I'm not like an economist. The charts are the reality. If you guys want to know more about, why this is occurring fundamentally, you could probably listen to George Gammon, Peter Schiff, Brent Johnson. These guys know a lot about this type of stuff. So me personally, I'm looking at the chart, and what does the chart tells me? It tells me that the dollar is most likely going to continue to get stronger against that Japanese yen. So we can draw a trend, just something really simple. You draw it off the swing lows. You can see that price is not really getting below this trend line right here. So you drag it up, and you see that if you draw a line across the swings where price is bouncing from, it fits pretty good, right? You connect the two swings right here. You have this bounce, bounce, bounce. It's not getting below it, so that tells me that the trend is still pretty strong to the upside, and we could be seeing much more higher prices or more devaluation for the Japanese yen against the dollar. So short term, we'll zoom in. Let's take a look at what happened. Basically since this year, it's been going up. It bottomed right here in basically December 28th of last year. So from there, we have seen price increase. So that's one leg up right there. Market generally moves in twos. That's one sharp impulse. And look what you get. A measure move target. The same impulse before led to the same impulse again. So again, that happens a lot of times. And that's where price found resistance. So it's just correcting. We're seeing price move up higher. So market generally moves in twos, like I mentioned. So we could be seeing another drop. Maybe if we come back up to here. We'll have to wait and see. But even then, we do have this trend line right here acting as support. So if you clone this now you get a channel. So that fits pretty good as well. So two things would have told you price would have stopped at the 157, 158 level. First thing was the measure move target. Second thing is the trend line or the channel resistance. You see that I copied the trend line from the bottom to the top off the two swings, matches with the third touch right here. So still looking bullish. Short term is looking bullish. Price is making higher highs, higher lows, which is an uptrend. And long term, it's still pretty strong to the upside. So we could be seeing much more higher prices than anyone thinks, possibly even a very large difference in currency. So we could be even seeing up to 188. Again, that's not out of the question. If it's technically possible, a lot of times it can be possible in reality as well. And this could probably happen maybe sometime later this year. It could just balloon out of nowhere. So don't be shocked to see price reach 188. That is also coinciding with the top of the channel, just like I showed you in the short term. Price hit the top of the channel where the measurement target was as well. So again, is it guaranteed? No, it's not. Let's just say tomorrow we just start seeing price collapse, meaning the dollar is getting weaker against the Japanese yen. Then things can change. But does this look like is a chart telling me that price is going to be trying to do that? Not really. It's trying to reach that measurement target to the upside at the 188, 189 level. This was the previous impulse. We can see another impulse in the future about the same size. So market moves in attempts. This is all one attempt right here. And this is the second attempt right here. So it's still in play to the upside. Let's take a look at the weekly. Just zooming out, I only see price action back into 02. So this is the highest it's been probably for a very long time, probably this century, since this start of this century. So very high, very cheap for Americans or anyone who has US dollar to travel to Japan or even purchase things. So again, still looks pretty bullish. I don't see an end in sight for the trend. It still looks pretty strong to the upside. We could be seeing corrections in the meantime, but overall it looks like for the next couple of months, probably the next year, possibly year and a half, it still looks pretty strong to the upside. So again, that's what I want to show you guys, what's happening on the Japanese side against the dollar. You can even take this measurement target right here, drag it up to this low, and that's right around 165. So even then, we'd even reach that target either. So still looks pretty bullish, and I expect higher prices for the dollar against the Japanese yen. So that's all I have for the chart today. If you guys want to see more forex analysis or currency analysis, let me know in the comments down below. This really shows you what's happening and what's most likely going to happen in the world, or between the dollar and the Japanese yen. But that's all I have today. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.